Yeah. Charlie in the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, you're a star.
Good evening, folks. Hey, today is the day that we've got a special guest. Special guest. We're going to have to get the Mickey megaphone for this. Special guest. Actually, we have two guests here. You can see Charlie. He's in the picture right now. And let me show you our other guest for today. It is none other than Sassy Sue.
Hello, hello, hello. I'm doing a podcast today. Woohoo!
Welcome, welcome, welcome to both you and Charlie.
Charlie's helping me.
Yeah, we're gonna. I think we'll get into our first topic. We got a lot to talk about today. We are going to talk about Northwestern football at some point, but because we have a good. Charlie's into the pen here.
Yeah, he wants to say something.
Since we have Sassy Sue here today, there was several topics that she wanted to talk about. So let's start off. Whoa, gesundheit. So let's talk about the first topic that's near and dear to Sassy Sue's heart, the spoiling of animals due to the pandemic.
Yeah, ever since the pandemic, everybody's been working from home, staying home more. And there's good and bad. It's good for the animals in one way because a lot of the animals in the shelters have been adopted. So a lot of the shelters are empty because a lot of the animals got adopted, which is awesome. And they're getting used to their people being home because everybody's home now. So what I'm worried about is come next year, 2021, or whenever the pandemic is over and it's safe to go back to work and people are going back to work, the poor little cats and dogs are going to be so used to their mommies and daddies and families being home, they're going to be lonely when their parents go to work. But with the evolving change and working remotely, maybe working in an office is going to be changed forever. So that's a good thing too. So maybe the future will look like 2-3 days in the office and 2-3 days at home. So the cats and dogs will have their mommies and daddies and families with them. So I think it'll work out okay.
So maybe they'll let maybe when the pandemic is over, they'll let you bring your dogs and cats to work.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Really go at it. You can have your dog beat up on the boss's cat or something like that. No. Wouldn't that be fun?
No, it wouldn't be fun. We don't want to do that.
I would do that.
But it's a good thing that all these animals are getting adopted. That's awesome. All the homeless dogs and cats are getting adopted and they've got their little forever homes now. So that's a good thing. So there has been some good that comes out of the pandemic.
And we don't have any spoiled cats. As you can see, we got one here that's like sitting in front of my camera on me.
Charlie.
He wanted to get onto the PC keyboard, and he still does. No, he'll end up terminating our live stream if we let him do that.
Charlie, buddy.
Sit on the iPad. That's what you can do. And he doesn't. The iPad's not as warm as the PC, which is what he wants.
Your keypad is warm. I don't have mine on.
Yeah, he's on mine. He doesn't even want to come over here.
Because it's not. Mine is cold. It's not on. Yours is warm. That's why. Yep.
So how do you spoil our cats? Let's talk about that. I mean, we don't have any spoiled cats, do we?
No, they get what they want. They get what they deserve. Everything. So they get whatever they want.
Somebody. I mean, we got a video out there. I think Charlie just took over the ownership of a tiny house, a gingerbread house that we just built.
He loves his little house. It's heated. It's a little house that he can go inside, and it's like a bed. There's a bed and with the four walls, he can get it in and out on both sides. But the bottom is heated, so when he lays on it, it turns on. And I think it's for cats, so it's meant to, like, when they lay on it, the heating mechanism triggers and goes on, and it keeps their body warm, maybe like 5 to 10 degrees warmer than their normal body temperature. So it keeps them nice and warm. So they love that.
So as long as we're talking about videos, we got I think in maybe 10 days, after like January 2nd comes to mind, we've got a new video that's waiting to come out. Yeah, I think it's January 2nd. And it just, as long as we're here, we might as well say we are Land Cruiser Midwest. Like, share, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Thumbs up. There you go. There you go. And we are an up-and-coming YouTube channel. So, yeah, let's talk about now. Let's transition to another meaty topic. We did a video last week called Hooters Haul. Haul.
Yep.
And I think you just finished up some of the leftovers from the Hooters Haul, and man, it made your nose run, didn't it?
We did, yeah. We went a couple days ago, so these have been sitting in the refrigerator for a couple days, and they're even a little hotter and spicier when you eat the leftovers. So they definitely made my nose run, that's for sure. Cleared the sinuses out for sure. But it's still good, all good, still all good.
I think there's some rumors out there on the internet that at one point you actually were a Hooters girl.
I don't know.
You don't know. Whoa, that leaves the door open,
Yeah.
folks.
Maybe not.
Are there some pictures of you out there in your orange little shorts and muscle shirt there?
Maybe not.
Maybe. Okay, well, do a search on that. I don't know what I would search on the internet, but we're going to have to give that a try. Okay, so there you go, folks. Not denying it and not confirming it. Just kind of it's out
Maybe
there.
not.
It's out there. It's out there. Yeah, we love Hooters. My God, we've been to tons of Hooters. Tons of Hooters. And
Good
most...
wings,
Yeah, some of them are
wings,
closed now.
good fries. They're curly fries, seasoned curly fries.
They've got awesome fries. And their hot wings are pretty good. There's better, there are some better places, but those better places are hard to get to. Hard to get to. They're not,